Roger, hold short, traffic is rolling.
Traffic.
Holding short.
Set. Checked. 80. Hold. Checked.
V1.
Rotate. Auto climb. Gears up.
Welcome aboard. I'm Nancy. I'll be the flight attendant of the day. I'd like to show you the breakfast.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome on board. Today's flight is to JFK. I started working for EGYPTAIR for about 10 years now. I got promoted after 3 years and a half to my favorite plane right now. As you can see, it's the Boeing 777. One of the perks of being a pilot is that you get to see new countries, new cities, different people with different cultures. So that's it, and see you next time.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Hani. I have been flying for EGYPTAIR for 38 years. I'm flying 777 for almost 20 years. I have 20,000 hours. I like the 777, and actually I like my job. It gave me a lot of experience through all my life. Thank you very much. See you during the approach.
Hello, welcome back. We're getting ready to serve the second service of the day, which is our hot lunch.
EGYPTAIR 985, good afternoon, ILS 22 left.
EGYPTAIR 985, Heavy Kennedy Tower, Heavy Airbus 340 is 5 miles ahead, caution wake turbulence, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 2 left, EGYPTAIR 985. Speed brake arms. Ready. Landing checklist complete.
Checklist complete, thank you.
You're welcome.
300. Approaching minimum.
100 above.
Manual flight landing.
Flight director checked.
Minimums. 50.
1732 ILS
30.
left.
20.
1732 Kennedy Tower, regional jet ahead, runway 22 left, clear to land. Clear to land, 22 left,
Speed brakes. Reverses. Auto brake deceleration.
I'm the last one.
Hello, flight deck.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you, sir?
I'm fine, thanks.